This right here is our 10 by 16 cottage shed. So it has a 70 by 72 inch door opening. Those are double opening doors. You got a 2 by 3 window here. And then this roof style has a little bit of overhang on the front and then drops off to the back. 6 foot on the inside and 7 foot 6 inches on the front wall. Let's take a little walk through here. So these buildings have 4 by 6 4 runners underneath and 2 by 6 4 joists. Those are on 16-inch centers. You got a T-handle door lock right here. All these sheds have a turnbuckle kind of system, so over time wood doors will tend to sag, so you can tighten those up and lift that door up. It also has a diamond plated threshold right here, so as you pull heavy stuff in over this corner, it doesn't tear the floor up. Stepping into the inside, we have a double 2 by 4 corner, a double 2 by 4 wall stud every 4 feet around the perimeter, and a double top plate. And then again, this is a 7 foot 6 inches here, and actually 6 foot 6 inches to this back wall on this top plate right here. You have a 5-year craftsmanship warranty, 30 years on the metal roofing, and then 50 years on the siding. Now the different sizes that we build this building is as small as a 6 by 10 up to a 10 by 20. We can probably squeeze you some longer buildings in there if you really need it. These are just a kind of neat looking building. This building here currently is $3,996 plus tax, or you can get it for about $150 down, $170 a month, depending on your local sales tax. If this is something you're interested in and you want to see other inventory buildings, click the link below or check out one of these videos right here.